Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome to another video. Now in all honesty, I wasn't actually looking for a new pair of true wireless stereo earphones, but if you're from the UK, you probably heard of Hot UK Deals. I was browsing through, and then if you applied a coupon on Amazon, you could buy it for £9, so that's what I did, even though I have the Life P2 by Soundcore. And then I was a bit skeptical because I haven't heard of Boltune previously, never used any of the products, but I thought, hey, I gave Soundcore a go, why not give these pair of bad boys a go myself? So before we start off with the unboxing, if you're interested in tech videos and want to see the follow-up review, then please hit that subscribe button and like if you're enjoying it. Okay, so if we look on the back, it gives you step 1, 2 and 3, step 1 being what's included, the earphones, we've got pairing option, and then how to fit it onto your ear. There are tips included as well, which I'll show you slightly later on. We've got a Boltune card. It shows you extend your warranty from 12 months to 30 months, and then support information as well with a QR code on the back. If you're not familiar with how Bluetooth headset work, then we have a quick setup guide. This will get you up and running as soon as possible. We also have an in-depth user guide, so if you have any troubleshooting issues, want to find out more features such as single mode or couple mode, that's available. We have a normal USB to USB-C for charging. We also have tips, as mentioned previously, for different ear sizes and comfortable fit. And now it's time to move on to the main star of the show. And to be honest, when I first opened it up, I didn't do any research into this. I just bought it purely on price, because £9 for TWS earphones, that's a pretty good price, right? And I didn't expect to have a fabric material finish. I thought it would be plastic like the Soundcore Life P2. So looking at around, the build quality is pretty good, and I've been using it for around 2 days now. I've used it on Teams call, listening to music, on podcast, and I am pleasantly surprised. Bear in mind, it's just first impressions because I haven't used it too long to fully justify how these work, but the first 2 days, boy, I'm really happy with it. It's got decent bass, clarity when you listen to audio or music, vocals are very good, and punchy bass as well. I mean, I can't really complain for the price I paid. Even for the £30 mark, they are fantastic. On the back, we got the reset button along with the insert for the USB-C for charging your device. If it's solid white, that means it's fully charged, and then if you're charging it, it will blink and turn solid when it's fully used. And these are quite nice and small as well, so it easily fits into your pocket, doesn't leave too much of a bulge, and the quality, as I previously mentioned, is good. In terms of the build quality of the earphones, so for the price you're going to get plastic finish. We also get a two-tone color scheme with the black and grey or black and silver, and one of the most important factors for true wireless earphones is how well do they stick into your ear. So believe it or not, I actually went jogging the other day, and jogging to my standards, probably a slow walking pace for the rest of the world, but anyway, they stayed in, it wasn't sweating too much, and I had a comfortable fit. Now in my job, I actually have to make quite a few Teams calls, and the previous wireless earphones I had, they weren't the best at picking up my voice, but with these I've had no issues. I've actually tested it with several users and they said my voice is crystal clear. Pairing is extremely easy. You just open the case, you'll hear a faint pairing sound. You pair it with your phone. If you want to use individual earbuds, then you can pair left and right, or you can have a master to slave relationship. Okay guys, that was a quick look at the Boltune True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. If you enjoyed the video, hit a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.